Hello loves, welcome to Secret Beauty, where you get hair tips that works for you. So in this video, I'll be showing you how I wash and prepare my hair for my wig braids. Hey, so a quick tip. When you're taking out your braids, over here I'm using a scalp mask by Shitzai, and I use this, I apply a good amount and I put it in my hair before I take out my old braids. It helps me take out my hair easier, as well as it helps stop breakage when I'm taking out my hair. So also, if you don't have a scalp mask, you can use conditioner and put it in your hair when you're taking out your braids. It helps you take out your hair easier and detangle your hair before you wash it. I love this shampoo. It's Volume Moisture shampoo and conditioner, and I love it. It helps moisturizing your hair. It helps your hair not dry out. So over here I have purifying shampoo, and I also use that to detox my scalp. I really love that. It's by Shitzai purifying shampoo. I also use that for my scalp to wash it. When you have shampoo, sometimes can't really wash your hair way through, so using a purifying scalp shampoo is also good to really clean your scalp up very well, because when your scalp is clean, your hair just feels better, and your hair can actually even grow better. Did you know that? Yeah. I'm rinsing out my hair now, and I am about to add conditioner into my hair. When I put the conditioner in my hair, you see how I'm just lightly running it through my hair, just like that. And then afterwards you can comb it out a little bit, finger comb it a little bit, and then rinse it out. You're seeing me put deep conditioner into my hair, and I'm actually going to use peppermint. Yes, I'm actually going to use peppermint with the conditioner, as well as olive oil. That's my little concoction that I use. The peppermint is really good. Peppermint helps your hair in many different ways, and so does olive oil. I just feel like they both give moisture to your hair, and I just really like them together. So I'm going to deep condition my hair for 20 minutes. And it's after 20 minutes, so I washed it out. I towel dry my hair, as you see here, and then I start adding products. So I'm adding olive oil in my hair, running it through my hair, and then I'm using curling cream leave-in conditioner by Cantu in my hair, a nice amount. Don't worry about it turning white. If you've washed your hair very well, the hair won't stay white like that. So now I'm using Mizani 25 Miracle Silk leave-in conditioner. I really like this as well. It really helps detangle your hair. Also, you see how I'm parting out my hair and spraying the conditioner in there? That way it can really get into my hair very well. So here I'm using Mizani conditioning cream, and I really like that. I almost want to laugh because I bet you're sitting there thinking, dang, how many products is she about to put in her hair? Y'all, my hair is a queen. It's a queen. So you guys, I'm combing out my hair now. It's easy to comb, but do you guys see that breakage? But I'm serious about growing out my hair, so I have been washing my hair every 2 weeks and deep conditioning my hair as well, and then I stretch it out like how I'm doing here, and then I do my braids. I always stretch out my hair because I feel like because my hair is so tight yet very fine, I have to stretch out my hair or else it's gonna break when I braid it. So stretching out my hair is good so that my hair doesn't break. Now, a good tip is to section out your hair as I have done here. But as you're sectioning out, you see how I'm letting the blow dryer stay at the root while I stretch out my hair? And then when the hair is 70% dry, then I comb it out. I don't comb it out when it's wet because it doesn't do anything, and I feel like it causes heat damage. So now I have finished blow drying my hair, and I'm using hair oil by DoGrow. DoGrow hair oil. You can go to any hair store and get it. Now, when I'm putting in the DoGrow, put the oil a half an inch away from your scalp. Don't put it directly on your scalp because you cause the scalp to be clogged, the follicles to be clogged, and you don't want that. You don't want that. That's how your hair easily gets itchy, and then you find yourself having to wash it out again very quickly. So over here, I'm using Chapter 2000 on my scalp. Again, I'm not putting it directly on my scalp, but a quarter of an inch away from my scalp. Also too, this scalp is really good. It's a Ghanaian product and it's so amazing. You can get it on Amazon. And I'm here using regular old hair grease, Indian hemp. It's so great for your hair. And yeah, I always use it now. I don't care what anybody has to say. I use grease in my hair because my hair gets so dry. So when I use this, it's really nice. I quickly blow dry my hair so that I can just kind of melt everything into my hair. And now I'm on the wig braids and I braid my hair going back. So as you see for the wig braids, I braid all the way back. And I have already braided a braid on the other side of my head. So I'm going to use this braid and braid it across, braid it to the back and then braid it across my back hairline. And then attach it to the other braid on the other side of my head. And then the rest of the braids, I will just braid back. You see what I'm saying? Just keep watching me. So you see how I've braided it to the back? I'm going to braid it across my hairline. So right when I'm done with braiding it across my hairline, I'm going to add it to the other braid that I braided and add it together. I like to do this because this way if I braid it all to the back and don't do this way, my back hair will start to break easier. So braiding it across my hairline does not break the hair at the back. Yeah. Also, when you start braiding your hair in the front, try not to braid too tight. There's no need for that. Just braid really lightly so that your edges are secured. It's all about the edges. So that's why you see my face so focused, because I need my edges to stay. You see how I took that braid and added it to the braid that I was on, and so I would do that until I'm done with all the braids. So you see this braid right over here? I'm leaving it out, but then the next braid, I'm gonna add this braid into the next braid that I braid. So this braid that I'm braiding, once I get to the mid back of this braid, I'm gonna use that last braid and add it into this one and then braid it back down. So I wanted to get up close to show you what I meant by taking the previous braid and adding it into the new braid. So right here on this braid, I'm going to pick up my old braid, you see that, and then add it into the new braid that I'm braiding, and then continue to braid all the way down. This technique allows the back to be very flat so that there's no bumps when you wear your wig. So I'm in the middle of my hair, and over here you would think that I would braid just 2 braids, but if I do that, then I'm gonna get bulky partings, which I don't like. So what I do is that wherever I'm going to wear my wig, so in this case I'm wearing it in the middle of my head, I'm gonna make those braids there very small so that the wig can nicely and neatly lay on my head with no bumps. If you're like thinking, so why don't you just make all the braids small? I have a lot of hair. When I'm braiding, it's really hard for me to braid my hair, so I don't like to spend too much time on it. So I thought this was the best plan. Just do big braids on the sides or wherever I want to part my hair, which in this case is in the middle, and do that parting very small, but the rest will be big. This is the finished result. I hope that you guys loved this tutorial and you guys learned from it. These braids will last me like 2 weeks, and then I'm going to take it out and do this whole process all over again. I hope that you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe and share to your friends so that I can make more videos like these for you all to enjoy. God bless you.